All right, we begin with the latest updates coming in from Karnataka, where the suspense continues over whether we're going to see a change in Chief Minister or not. In the latest update, amid all of the power games between the Siddaramaiah camp and the DK Shivkumar camp that we've been witnessing in the last 24 hours, the latest update is that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has spoken to Kharge and has in fact communicated to him that MLAs must be told very clearly to stop all of the speculation. Siddaramaiah has urged Kharge, who is of course the Congress chief, to stop MLAs from all of this non-stop public talk of what's going to happen on an internal issue, as he calls it. I want to bring in Nagarjun Dwarkanath for more details on this. Nagarjun, what's really happening? You know, there's pin drop silence from the High Command right now, and that's even pushed Siddaramaiah now to urge Kharge to step in and stop all this.
A bunch of MLAs from DK Shivkumar camp visited Delhi and met Mallikarjun Kharge in his residence. Now, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has spoken to Mallikarjun Kharge, is what we are picking up from the sources. And the CM has told Kharge to ensure that no MLA goes to Delhi henceforth, and this causes an embarrassment to the party. Is what Chief Minister is of an opinion that all of the discussions should be within the party forum and within the walls of the Congress office and not in public. And hence, we have seen the first reaction from the Congress High Command also that Surjewala has tweeted this evening saying that no MLA will have to speak in public, and whatever has to be told, the party has taken a note of the recent developments, and he has spoken to both DK Shivkumar and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah.
Okay, Nagarjun, just stay with me. Let's, in fact, round up all that's happened in the last 24 hours. There have been a whole lot of developments, essentially, because you've had both sides. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's camp trying to pressure the High Command. DK Shivkumar's camp, as you know, trying to pressure the High Command, with many MLAs even landing and touching down in the national capital. Let's round up all of those developments for you in our next report.
Karnataka's political drama is hitting a fever pitch, but Chief Minister Siddaramaiah remains firm. He has declared that he will continue as Chief Minister, and any talk of leadership change is for the Congress High Command to decide. While Chief Minister will be meeting Mallikarjun Kharge on Saturday, he spoke to Mallikarjun Kharge asking him to draw an end to MLAs talking in public on internal matters, saying High Command must stop the chaos.
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡು ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಡಿಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವ್ರು ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಯಾವುದು
ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಬಜೆಟ್?
ಯಾವುದು? ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯ?
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹೌದು, ನಾನೇ ಮುಂದುವರಿತೀನಿ, ಬಜೆಟ್ನು ನಾನೇ ಮಂಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Meanwhile, Randeep Surjewala of the Congress has said that the party has taken note of opinion of party functionaries and that speculations must be put to rest. And this comes after a whirlwind day of political action split between Delhi and Bengaluru. In the capital, MLAs from the DK Shivkumar camp landed at Kharge's residence late Thursday night, renewing pressure on the 2.5-year Power Shep Act. Their demand was that it's time for DKS to take the top chair. Sources say Kharge told them that the High Command will take the final call.
I'm loyal to Congress. High Command is there. Whatever High Command says, we follow that. That's all.
No, but you are saying you haven't spoken about Mr. DK Shivkumar to Mr. Kharge?
Nothing. That is left to High Command. We have not discussed anything.
But back home, DK Shivkumar distanced himself from the meeting, claiming he knew nothing about it.
You will reshuffle the government and cabinet. So all of them are interested that they wanted to become ministers. It's quite natural they will go and meet the leaders of the Delhi. It is quite natural they will go out of the Delhi. Apart from that, what I can say, they have every right. I have not taken anyone.
Yet he dropped a cryptic social media post. I quote, "Where there is effort, there is fruit. Where there is devotion, there is Lord." And I unquote. Meanwhile, ministers from Siddaramaiah camp hurtled over dinner on Thursday, calling for clarity, stability, and urging the Chief Minister to reach out to Kharge and Venugopal to end the escalating chaos. However, the leaders claim it was a routine meet.
no political discussions happened. We just had dinner, and we also discussed about our departments. These kind of discussions, generally we had discussions.
And watching from the sidelines, BJP leaders continue to take sharp jabs at a Congress government locked in its own power tussle.
Siddaramaiah will not leave the CM post. DK will not keep quiet. He wants CM because of the agreement. 2.5 years. Entire Karnataka is suffering from the development.
The suspense continues. Siddaramaiah stands firm. DKS signals ambition and the High Command holds the key. Karnataka's power play is far from its final act. With Nagarjun Dwarkanath in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.